Acting Chief Medical Officer Dr. Taisha Donald says results show that the wearing of masks have helped in decreasing the number of respiratory complaints received at health facilities in the country.
The little organisms and so would be trapped. And we're also protected from external factors in terms of your pollen and so, because of course we're wearing masks. So what we've noted is that in terms of respiratory illness, and I'm a pediatrician, so I could also speak to that. We have not seen a significant number of persons with respiratory illness based on the fact, of course, it's all related to the wearing of the face mask. So persons, we have some protection there, if we can call it that.
Face mask was introduced in 2020 following confirmation of the country's first COVID case. Legislation was implemented under the emergency powers in 2020 for every citizen to wear a mask or a suitable covering over their nose and mouth whenever they leave their home, attempt to enter or is in line to enter a place of business, government offices, and while in a motor vehicle with any other person. She said the face mask was very beneficial as health officials did not have to battle with a major intake of patients battling respiratory issues.
So there's been a decrease, but we continue to have, but not as much as we would have seen, particularly, for example, in the flu season. So let's say between September and March, normally we see quite a number of patients with asthma, wheezing, bronchiolitis, these type of illnesses, bronchitis. But now, of course, we still see these cases, but not as much as we would have seen in the past because, of course, persons are being protected by wearing the face mask. So the face mask has really helped us in that sense. So we have not had to battle with so much with the traditional respiratory illnesses plus the COVID. The COVID ones were the ones predominating. But the wearing of face mask has impacted in terms of these numbers. All right, so I hope
While some COVID protocol measures were further relaxed on Tuesday, Grenada remains under a state of emergency, which is expected to expire in May, unless discussions set for next week take that off the table. Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.